guys, it's me again. So another day, another vlog. So for today's video, we will make momo. Come with me and stay tuned. Let's go. So guys, we will make squish momo today.
What do you want to see?
Now we're finished making squish momo. We're making chicken. Okay guys, now we are just finished making momo and we just finished eating momo. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching and until next vlog again. Bye bye.